Hello, tennis workshop calculus and science na first second year students for MCQ. First, which is the law of friction? The friction force is independent over the area and shape of contacting surface. Option A is the answer. Next question, what is the direction of friction force against a motional object? Its answer is option B, opposite to the object. Next question, which force is directly proportional to the normal reaction between contacting surfaces? Option is frictional force is option C. Answer is option C. Which one of the following acts in the between the wheels and roads if vehicles are able to run on roads? Option A, friction. Next question, which is the useful friction? Option is brake shoe lining. Option D. Next, which is the useful friction? Its answer is option A, real axis gear. Next, which depends on the friction force? Answer is B, contact surfaces. Next, how coefficient of friction is expressed? It is the ratio between frictional force and normal reaction. Its answer option B. Next, what is the formula to find the coefficient of friction? Its answer is mu is equal to F upon W. Option D. Next one is, which symbol is used to denote coefficient of friction? Its answer is option B, mu in bracket MEU, bracket close. Option B. Next, what kind of friction is called if two objects are in contact at rest? Answer is D. Answer is C, static friction. Next question, which is the correct statement? Next question, what is the correct statement? Its answer is option C, sliding friction is always less than limiting friction. Option C. Next, what is the formula to find the force if the object is just move up the plane? Answer is option B, capital W in bracket sin theta plus phi upon cos theta. Next, which one of the angle is called angle of friction? Answer is option B. Let's see the figure of question and answer is option B, angle ROS. Next, what is the coefficient of friction if the angle of friction is theta? It is answer tan theta. Option C. Next, what denoted the letter R in the given figure? The answer is option D, normal reaction. Students, this is the very important question for workshop calculation and science for second year students. It is a CBT exams MCQ, very important. Next question, what is the purpose of a lubricant? Its answer is to reduce friction. Option C. Next, what type of lubricant is used in which feed lubrication system? Option A, lube oil. Next question, which lubrication system is provided with a ring oiler to splash sub oil continuously around the parts? Option C, splash feed system. Splash feed system. Option C. Next, which one is the three types of lubricant system in general use? Its answer is option C, gravity feed system, force feed system, and splash feed system. Next, which lubrication system employs oil holes in the machines? Answer is A, gravity feed system. Next, which is the name of the lubrication system? So the question figure is here. The answer is weak feed. Option B. Next, which is used to reduce the friction in machine parts? Answer is lubricants. Option D. Next one, which is the main purpose of using the lubricants oil in engine moving parts? To reduce friction. Option B. Next, which is the correct statement? Option A. Lubricants acts to prevent corrosion. Next, what causes the efficiency of a machine by maintaining a lubrication? It's increase. Option A, the right answer. Next one, show the figure. What is the name of the instrument used for lubrication? The answer is T-handle pressure gun. Option C. Next, another figure in question. Which principle of lubrication can be employed? Its answer is option C. Gravity feed system. Next one. Which way the coolant acts as a lubricant? Option B. To carry away the heat. Its answer. Next one. What is the force required move a body mass 1000 kg if the coefficient of friction 0.4 assume as 1 kg is equal to 10 Newton? Its answer is 4000 Newton. Option A. Next, what is the coefficient of friction if the force of 30 Newton is required to move a body mass 35 kg? Assume 1 kg is equal to 10 Newton. Its answer is option C. 0.0857. Next question. What is weight of an object could be moved by a force of 30 kg if coefficient of friction is 0.0125? Next answer is 42400 kg, 2400 kg. Next one is, what is the angle of inclination of a weight of 150 kg in equilibrium and the value of mu is 0.5773? Its answer is 30 degree. Option A. Next, how much force is required to just slide a 20 kg object laying on a horizontal table if mu is 0.2? The answer is 4 kg. Next question, what is the force required to move a 20 kg object with a coefficient of friction is 0.24? The answer is 4.8 kg. Next, what is the coefficient of friction pulling a load of 400 kg by a force of 40 kg? Answer is 0.1 is the coefficient friction. Option C. How much will be the coefficient of friction of moving a body of mass 80 kg by a force of 40 kg on a horizontal surface? Its answer is 0.5. Its right answer. Option B. Next, how much will be the weight of a body which will be the move by the horizontal force of 50 kg against a friction resistance of 0.25? Its answer is 200 kg. Option B. Next, what will be the approximate angle of inclination of a object if the coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.84? Its answer is angle 40 degree. Option C. Next, what is the work done to move the body of mass 60 kg to a distance of 5 meters if a coefficient of friction between body and the plane is 0.2? The answer is 60 meter kg. Next, how much will be the work done in moving a 10 kg object rising on a horizontal plane through a distance of 10 meter? Mu is equal to 0.15. The answer is 15 meter per kg. Next, how much force is required to stop a vehicle of mass 1000 kg running on a road with the coefficient of friction between the tires and the roads is 0.4? Its answer is D. 400 kg. Next, which affects the center of gravity of the objects? Its answer is B. Mass. MASS. What is the name of the point which all the weight of the body concentrate? It's concentrated. Its answer is center of gravity. Option B. Next, where the center of gravity of a circle lies? It is at its center. Option A. What? is the center of gravity of a right circular cone from its base? Its answer is h upon 4c option. Next, what is the center of gravity of a rectangular body? Its answer is at the point of intersection of its diagonals. Next, what is the center of gravity of solid hemisphere from its base? Its answer is 3r upon 8. Next, what is the center of gravity of a sphere? Its answer is at the center. Okay. Answer option A, at the center. Next, which state of equilibrium example in A? Cones resting on its tip. Answer is C, unstable. Next, which one of the following geometrical shapes center of gravity lies from its base is 1/3 of its height? Answer is C, triangle. Which state of lubrication example is a cone resting on its base? Its answer is stable. Option C. Next question. Which is the center of gravity in T section? Its answer is first see the figure in question, and answer is 6.65 centimeter. Next, what is the center of gravity of the rectangle? Its answer is 6, 1.5. See the figure in question, and another figure in 13 question. What is the center of gravity of lamina? Its answer is 2.0 centimeter. Option B. Next, what is the center of gravity of the object? So on figure in object like this in this question, and answer is 94.04 mm. Next question. What is the center of gravity of the conical objects? Answer is 44.3 mm. See the figure in the question, and its answer is option B. Next, what is the center of gravity of the square? It's 30, 30. Option C. Next question. What is the center of gravity of cone base 10 cm and height 50 cm? Its answer is 12.5 cm centimeter. Option B. Next, what is the center of gravity of semicircle of diameter 12 centimeter? Its answer is B, 2.54 centimeter. Next question. Which formula is suitable for the area of circle whose diameter is? Option A, 5/4 into d square, or pi d square upon 4. Option A. Next, what is the circumference of a semicircle? It's pi r plus 2r. Next, what is the area of irregular shape of Simpson's is rule? Option is h upon 3 bracket y plus y7 plus 4 bracket y2 plus y4 plus y6 bracket close plus 2 in bracket y3 plus y5 bracket close. Its answer A. What is the name called biggest chord of the circle? Its answer is diameter. Next, what is the formula for circumference of a circle? Its answer is 2 pi r. Option C. Next, what is the formula for area of semicircle? Its answer is pi r square upon 2. Option D. So in question the figure is shown, and the answer is option D. Next figure is shown in question. What is the formula for area of the circle? It's pi r square. Simple question. Option B answer. Next, what is the area of the irregular surface? See the figure, and area, we find area of this surface 1500 1500 mm square. It's option C. Next, what is the area of the shaded portion? Equilateral triangle side is 6 cm and circle radius is 1.5 centimeter. Its answer is 8.52 cm square. Okay. Next question. What is the area of irregular surface? Shown the figure, its answer is 3544 mm square, option B. Next, what is the area of irregular surface shown in this figure? Please see the figure and calculate its area, surface area. Its answer is 4843 mm square. Next, what is the area of irregular surface? Another figure shown in this question. Its answer is 1150 mm square, option C. Next, what is the length of arc sector whose perimeter is 64.8 centimeter and radius is 12.4 centimeter? Answer is 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. Next, what is the length of arc of the sector whose radius is 15 centimeter and the indented angle is 30 ounce? Its answer is 7.85 centimeter, option A. Next, what is the area of sector if the diameter is 12 centimeter and the angle is 60? Next, answer option D, 18.84 centimeter square. Next, what is the formula for area of the segment of a circle? It's the area of the sector area of the triangle, option A. It's the correct answer. Next, what is the area of the circle if the circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter? Its answer is 129 centimeter square. Next question. What is the area of the irregular surface? Another figure in the question. Its answer is 2620 unit square. Okay, next question. What is the area of the irregular surface? Another figure shown in the question. Its answer is 4500, option C. Next, what is the radius of the circle if the angle of sector is 90 degree and the area of the circle is 196 semi square? Its answer is 15.77 centimeter. Next, what is the formula for perimeter of a sector? So another figure in this question. Its answer is option B, L plus 2R. Next question. What is the area of conical object? Another conical figure in this question. Its answer is 5158.8 mm square. Next, what is the area of the lamina? Another figure. Its answer is 14,600 mm square, 14,600 mm square. Next question. What is the area of sector whose diameter is 40 mm, 40 mm and angle is 120 degree? Its answer is 418.66 mm square. Next question. What is the angle of arc of sector in radius? It's whose radius is 15 and angle is 40. Its answer is 10.4 centimeter. What is the length of arc in sector whose radius is 3.6 centimeter and angle is 36? Its answer is 2.26 centimeter. Next, another question. What is the area of the surface? It's 2600 mm square. Next question. What is the name of the shaded portion? So one figure in question. Its answer is segment. Okay. What line is called as chord? Its option is AB line. Is just like chord. Another question. What is the area of the circle whose diameter is 50 centimeter? Its answer is 1962.5 cm square. Next, what is the name of the region of a circle between any 2 points on the circumference. It's called segments. Very important question. Next, what is the radius of the circle whose circumference is 440 centimeter? Its answer is 70 centimeter. Next question, what is the area of a circular surface if the radius is 14 centimeter? Its answer is 615.44 cm square. Next, what is the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 7 centimeter? Its answer is 22 centimeter. Next question, tennis. What is the radius of circle whose diameter is 44 cm? Its answer is 22 centimeter. Next, what is the diameter of the circle? Its area of circle is 78.5 cm square. Its answer is 10 cm. Next, what is the area of the circle if the radius is 10 centimeter? Its area of circle is 314 cm square. Next, what is the radius of the semicircle if the circumference of the semicircle is 28.26 cm? Its answer is 5.49 cm. Option A. Next, what is the diameter of the semicircle if the circumference of the semicircle is 21.98 cm? Its answer is 8.55 cm. Option A. Next, what is the area of the semicircle if the diameter is 14 cm? Its answer is 76.93 cm square. Next, what is the diameter of the circle if the area of the circle is 706.5 cm square? Its answer is 30 centimeter. C option. What is the diameter of the circle if the circumference is 31.4 cm? Its answer is 10 cm. Option B. Next, what is the area of the lamina? Figure is shown in question. Its answer is 1473.66. Next, what is the area of the irregular lamina? Another figure in question. Its answer is 549.76 cm square. Thank you, trainees.